To access the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, simply log into adobe.com. Near the top right of the screen, you'll see the sign-in link. Put in your school email address, and it'll ask you for either a personal or company school account. Obviously, you'll want to use the school account option. All right. You may be presented with another password screen that looks very similar to Office 365. Just put in your email password in that screen, and you'll be landed here at the Adobe Creative Cloud main page. Over here on the top right-hand column, you'll see the Install Creative Cloud app link, and that's the one you want. Don't go and download the individual applications one by one. You just need the Creative Cloud app itself. Clicking that link will download the installer for Mac or PC, depending on what system you're on. Run that installer, and then eventually you'll get this application here at the top for Mac users. For PC users, this same icon will be down at the bottom right in your system tray. But clicking on it will give you the same screen for both platforms. This is the Creative Cloud app. Here you can manage all of the applications you actually want to install or uninstall. You can also access any updates, as well as some categories for the applications themselves. Notice up here at the top right, there's a cloud icon. That is for your Creative Cloud cloud storage. You can either use this or your OneDrive storage to store your documents. There you go. That's how you install Creative Cloud on your own computer.